Hi, I'm John from Sumitomo. Sumitomo has developed new coated carbide grades for machining titanium alloys, AC9115T and AC9125T. Both have excellent wear resistance and are ideal for turning titanium alloys. AC9115T is our first choice for general purpose machining and AC9125T for interrupted machining. AC9115T and AC9125T features our proprietary PVD Apsotech coating technology and the industry's first tungsten carbide-based composition. This suppresses chemical reactions with titanium alloys and greatly increases wear resistance. The results have shown up to 75% reduction in friction coefficient. This achieves longer tool life while turning titanium alloys, greatly improve productivity, and reduce costs. Sumitomo takes great pride in being a leader in development of new technologies. We are very excited to release the new AC9115T and AC9125T titanium alloy turning grades. We are also very excited to help provide additional solutions to our customers. Thank you.